So today I want to show you the newest addition to my bunny pin collection. I ordered this on Etsy and it has a lovely bunny drawn on it. This order is from Sweden. I'm actually really surprised that this order arrived so soon. Let's open it. So, how cute. I didn't expect it that she writes me a letter in German. It's a really kawaii and pretty paper. So let's see what's in there. That's the designer of the pin. Pin reveal. Here's my new pin. It's so cute. Oh, it shines and sparkles. I hope that I can wear it soon. It's a really cute pin. I ordered 2 pins, so I received another package with another pin. It's from Una Art. This time it's from Germany. And let's see. It's a really cute package with the sticker. Bag is empty, so here are some stickers and a nice message. It's in German. Another cute sticker. Ooh, really shiny. I like it. There are also a lot of bunnies. Really cool. And here, of course, the reveal of the pin that I ordered. Ta-da! It's a boonie. Boonie because it's a ghost. A bunny ghost. Yes, I really like it. It combined 2 things I really like. Bunnies and ghosts. So these are my new pins and now I want to show you my small collection. So here's the ghost bunny, the cappuccino bun, the moon bunny and the bunny with the bow. So this is my entire collection. It's still not big, but I'd like to get more of them because I really love pins lately. So I'd love to get more in my collection. Tell me in the comments below which one do you like most. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video and you like my pin collection, so see you soon!